Hello MoxieLash fam, Bianca here. I am back. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super dramatic makeup look using our new Dramatic Lash Kit. So stick with me because it's going to be pretty easy. Right, so since this look is going to be on the dramatic side, I'm going to take a piece of tape, put it in the corner of my eye, and this is going to help me to not only have a really nice edge on that outer corner, but it's also going to help me to apply my eyeshadows and liner in a better and faster way. All right, so now taking these two shades right here, one is a lighter brown and then we have these warm brown. I'm just gonna mix both shades with a fluffier brush, and all I'm doing is stamping that color along the outer edge of the tape, and then I'm just gonna work that color towards the inner corner of my eyes. Slightly, I'm also going to take the color up to the brow bone, just in this area, with a very light hand. Now, because I want to add a little bit of more definition on that outer edge, make the eye look some more smokier, I'm just gonna go in with this darker shade right here, a pointier brush. Gonna pack that color along the tape. And once everything is packed on that outer edge, I'm going to move my brush in back and forward movements. We're just going to blend that out. All right, so because we're looking a little bit smokier, I want to add some brightness to the eye. I'm going to move on to pick up this shade right here with a flat brush. And all I'm going to do is apply that color on that inner corner of my mobile lid. I'm going back to the brown shade. I'm going to use an angled brush to define that bottom lash line. I'm just going to take off this tape. You have that really nice edge. Alright, so moving on to my favorite part, which is lashes. That makes me so excited. I'm gonna use our new Dramatic Kit. This kit comes with our Sassy, Money, and Bossy Lash, along with our black liquid magnetic liner and our stunning lash applicator. All right, so before applying my lashes, I'm gonna go in with my MoxieLash liquid magnetic liner in the shade black. And all I'm gonna do is apply these across my lash line. And I always like to put my hand right here just to have like some sort of control when applying my liner. Now, because it's really important to let our liner dry, I'm just gonna go in with a coat of mascara. So for today's look, I'm going to go in with our Money Lash. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys loved it and can recreate it as well. Don't forget that you can get your Dramatic Lash Kit now on MoxieLash.com, and I will see you until the next time. Besitos.